BirchStreet Systems Sourcing and Contract Management Solution, empowering you to find the suppliers with the best prices for the best products you need, procured at the contracted price every time. BirchStreet's 400,000 suppliers and group purchasing organization networks enable you to streamline sourcing and improve profitability through electronic request for quotes, accurate costing, and real-time pricing. The BirchStreet Systems solution features electronic request for quotes and electronic tenders, web-based corporate and property-level request for quote review and selection. Industry and category benchmarking services encapsulates food and beverage, furniture, fixtures and equipment, operating supplies, and equipment industry taxonomy, categorization, and other services. Itemized property level bill of quantities generates bill of quantities from awarded items for best value agreements. Easily Add Suppliers enables rapid onboarding with supplier punchouts or supplier on the fly. Supplier Network leverages BirchStreet's network of more than 400,000 suppliers. Group Purchasing Organization Partners enables you to make purchases at 15 to 20% below market price. Our customers create an immediate impact by contracting suppliers with the best prices, quickly using cloud-based electronic request for quotes and electronic tenders, with an overall cost savings of 8 to 12%, reduction in administrative costs of 20%, cycle time reduction of 50 to 70%. Discover how BirchStreet Systems Sourcing and Contract Management Solution can save you valuable money and time. To request a demonstration, visit BirchStreetSystems.com.